My name is Tim Heintz. I own and operate Heintz Designs Trailer Restorations here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we do everything, not just Airstreams. We do all vintage trailers from as old as the 1920s on the way up to the 1970s. I got into vintage RVs kind of at a very early age. I grew up around my grandparents who all had trailers from the 50s and 60s. They just seemed like old, cool trailers to me. I really didn't see them as vintage as a child. But as I grew older, I got appreciation for old cars, old trailers, and just the old trailers did it for me, and I just fell in love with them, and it kind of turned into a career. I've been very fortunate that I was in this industry very early on as a historian, so people in the industry knew me for the knowledge and knew me for my personal restorations. So once I did go public with the company, everybody wanted to line up to have their trailers done here. I do have a personal collection of trailers. It is a little bit of an addiction, but I think I'm around 12 or 13 trailers at this time period. I really started very, very small. My first trailer restoration was done in the backyard with just a carport. And once I got that trailer done, I was able to concrete under the carport. So I just kind of did it very small steps at a time, never took a business loan out, ever, and moved into downtown Panama City. Did restorations there for about a year, and then I was able to get even a larger place where I'm at now. It was just so much easier not having the stress of business loans and not only sustaining the business, but also sustaining all the loans that you had. If you're capable of doing it without taking out loans, I think it's the best. Some businesses, I understand you do have to have some capital up front to be able to purchase what you need to. But if you can get away without doing that, I've learned it's a little bit easier. Having that satisfaction that we're preserving some very rare history makes me happy enough in what we're doing. We just have fun. We don't really take things too serious. We do want to make sure our quality is top of the line. We're saving history. Our process has always been quality over quantity. We might not get as many out as other companies, but our quality is a higher standard that gets out.